It's known that function f(x) is an odd function with a period of pi. When x belongs to the open interval from 0 to pi over 2, f(x) equals sin x minus cosine x plus 2. Please find the expression of f(x) when x belongs to the open interval from pi over 2 to pi. Since f(x) is an odd function, when x in the range between negative pi over 2 and 0, we have negative x in the range between 0 and pi over 2. And f(x) equals negative f of negative x, which is negative sine of negative x minus cosine of negative x plus 2. Since sin x is an odd function and cosine x is an even function, we have equations sine of negative x equals negative sine x and cosine of negative x equals cosine x. Thus f(x) equals negative sine x minus cosine x plus 2. Which simplifies to sine x plus cosine x minus 2. And because f(x) is a function with period pi, when x in the range between pi over 2 and pi, we get x minus pi in the range between negative pi over 2 and 0. f(x) equals f of x minus pi, which is equal to sine of x minus pi plus cosine of x minus pi minus 2. According to the induced formulas of sine x and cosine x, we know sine of x minus pi equals negative sine x, and cosine of x minus pi equals negative cosine x. Finally, f(x) equals negative sine x minus cosine x minus 2. This is the solution to this question.